Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove or change address on Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change or remove addresses on Doordash, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Doordash app. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply navigate to the addresses section in your account settings, or you can simply tap on the top left hand side of the corner, and once you do this, you can simply select a new default address and add a new address, or deleting existing ones except your default address. So except your default address, any other addresses can be simply deleted from your Doordash. So simply tap on the plus add address button, enter the address and click save to add a new address. And to edit it, you can simply tap on the pencil icon next to the address you want to edit. So to delete an address, you can simply tap on the pencil icon and then the trash icon to delete the address. So this is how you can do this. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.